but that's too much. But
you have to swallow the whole thing.
hello, how are you? It's morning guys, and we're off once again. We're off to explore the city of Kinabalu today. It's actually pretty late, it's 11 o'clock already. It's always so hard to leave a nice hostel, especially when your legs are tired and you're comfortable. But finally got off my ass and I'm catching an Uber now to the City Mosque. The legs are definitely struggling. A little bit this morning. My quads are really sore, so I just need to stretch them out a little bit. So it'd be good to go for a walk. Alright, see. Alright, and we are now in front of the Kota Kinabalu City Mosque. So Malaysia consists of 60% Muslims. For this mosque, it could fit around 9,000 to 12,000 people inside. So that's pretty massive. So later on, we'll go on for a walk and see if we could visit inside. So I think while the sun's out and while the weather's good, I think I'll go take my photos, try to get a hyperlapse of this place. I think it's going to look pretty incredible. And I'll also take Mav up. I don't know if you're allowed to fly drones here or not, but I haven't seen any signs yet. So I'll just fly her up and then we'll see what they say. Here it goes. One bad thing about having no internet. I catch an Uber somewhere, but on the way back there's no internet, so I just sort of have to try my luck with a taxi. Ah, far out. Been looking around for like 10 minutes now. Oh, the taxis. Alright guys, and we're out. It's mid-afternoon. I'm here with Vanessa.
Hi.
And where are we? You have to explain where we are.
We are at Tanjung Aru Beach.
So pretty nice looking place. Nice calm water. So it's all along the sandbank and there's the beach there. So we started walking from over there and we're making our way to Tanjung Aru Beach too. Yeah. Over there. Yeah. So Vanessa was nice enough to take me around and show me around town. And then, hey?
I'm camera shy.
No, you shouldn't be, you're okay. So today we're gonna just chill on the beach and then afterwards we'll watch the sunset. We'll see how it is either here or, what's that hill? So sunset here and then we'll go to Signal Hill when it's a bit darker. And then after that we'll go to the waterfront and have dinner and a few drinks there. Pretty fun packed rest of the day coming up. Alright, so I'm trying to fly Mav and it's not letting me because we're actually close to the airport, and when I say close, I mean it's right over there, and planes are actually flying kind of along this beach somewhere over there. So it's saying I can't take off because I'm in a no-fly zone. And it doesn't make sense because like I've flown near airports before and like, you know, what if you're allowed to fly? There should be some way to override it. So take off. It says flight restrictions. Aircraft has entered a restricted zone, Kota Kinabalu Airport. So if you do have permission to do it, you have to email DJI. How annoying. And there's Mav, ready to go. Ready to take flights and can't even do it. What is that?
Gunung Kinabalu.
It is called ABC Kinabalu.
ABC Kinabalu. So that thing is that thing there. That thing's huge. Alright, so we're just relaxing now in this nice little restaurant by the beach. And we thought we'd go for a little dessert. And they said it was small, but... What the heck is this? So I guess since I've been sort of doing heaps of activities, always on the move, I haven't had a chance to like go through any fun facts with you guys about Malaysia or Borneo or Sabah. And I know how much you guys love my fun fact sessions. So since Vanessa's here with me, she could tell me if these fun facts are true or not.
Okay. I should do my homework.
She should do your homework. Alright, so the total population of Malaysia.
I'm not looking.
What do you think it is?
Yeah, 19,000.
19,000?
Yeah.
The whole of Malaysia?
Yeah.
Nah, 31 million.
Oh, million.
Million.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the main religion in Malaysia?
Muslim.
Yes, Muslim. Do you know what the percentage is? 60% Muslim, Islam, 20% Buddhism, and 10% Christians. And then the island of Borneo, which is where I am now, it's actually administered or occupied or split between 3 different countries, and that's Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei. Borneo is the 3rd largest island behind Greenland and New Guinea. The rainforest in Borneo is one of the oldest in the world, and it's believed to be about 130 million years old. So yeah, there you go. Hope that was interesting facts. And so now it's 5 o'clock, an hour till sunset. So we're just gonna check out the sights, go for a bit of walk, and yeah, we'll catch you guys a bit later. What a sunset that was. Getting pretty lucky with the weather, I think, because I don't think Kinabalu's had a good sunset like that for a while.
For about 3 weeks.
3 weeks, yeah, 3 weeks of cloud and rain, so pretty lucky. But now, Vanessa's taking me to the observation tower, or as it's known, Signal Hill. And then we're gonna have dinner at, we'll check out the waterfront, which is also where the markets are, and then we'll pick a spot to have dinner, which is just behind those buildings, just yeah, along the water. The market area, and it was a pretty good looking night market. Kind of regretting I didn't go there last night. I could probably stay there the whole day. There was like night markets, wet markets, handicraft markets, there was just everything there. But we chose to eat at a nice waterfront. Sweet and sour fish, chili prawn, all that for good value. Oh, that's a crazy looking durian.
This one jungle.
Alright guys, pretty much the end of the night, and what better way to end a night in Sabah than to have durian. But that's too much. Right.
You have to swallow the whole thing.
I don't think it's as bad as the first one.
Is it sweeter?
Oh yeah. It's actually a lot sweeter. I wouldn't go. You can have some. So here, 3 pieces was 30 ringgit, and the most expensive one we saw was like 55 ringgit. I mean, it's good to try, but I wouldn't go looking around for it. This one's alright. Yeah, this one actually tastes good, better than the other one. But anyway guys, that's it for tonight. That's my Sabah/Borneo trip to an end. Tomorrow I head to Langkawi, back on the mainland, so tomorrow I got a flight. So I'm just gonna enjoy this durian as much as Vanessa is. So I'll see you guys nice and early tomorrow. Have a good night.